welcome back, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Japanese style strawberry shortcake. This is probably my favourite cake in the entire world, and I've been working on this recipe for years, trying to perfect that nice light fluffy sponge, and I think I finally nailed it. This was actually the first cake I've ever baked, and it holds a really special place for me, so I hope you enjoyed the recipe, and let's get started. First we need to line our 6-inch cake tin with some baking paper. I use this method to line my baking tins all the time, and it's really quick and easy. Into a medium-sized mixing bowl, we're going to add our egg yolks and sugar and whisk them until they're nice and combined. Into a small saucepan, we're going to add our milk and our butter and heat them over low heat until the butter is just melted. While whisking, pour the hot milk mixture into the egg yolks. Now sift the flour into the egg yolk mixture. Whisk the flour into the mixture until nice and smooth. And now mix in the vanilla bean paste. Make sure the batter is mixed well and nice and smooth. Now in the bowl of a stand mixer or with an electric whisk your egg whites. Once they are foamy, slowly start adding your sugar. Keep whisking your egg whites until they reach stiff peaks. Now we're going to add the meringue into the egg yolk mixture. We're going to do it in 3 batches, making sure that it's nicely combined each time. When folding in the last bit of meringue, make sure you're extra gentle so you don't lose all the air bubbles. Once it's all folded in, we're going to transfer that to our pre-lined cake tin. Give your tin a few taps to release some large air bubbles before putting it in a water bath in a preheated oven at 130 degrees for 60 minutes. Once done, turn the oven off and leave it in the oven for an extra 15 minutes. This step is important as it ensures it doesn't sink as it comes out of the oven. Once your cake has completely cooled, remove it from the tin by running a knife around the edges and inverting the pan. Peel off the baking paper from the base of the cake and we're ready to decorate. In the bowl of a stand mixer, whisk your cream with the sugar until stiff peaks. Split your sponge into 3 slices and let's ice the cake. Place the first layer of sponge on a turntable and brush on some simple syrup. I made the simple syrup by microwaving equal parts water and sugar in the microwave. Now start layering on the cream and strawberries. Place the second sheet of sponge on top and repeat the process. Once all 3 sheets of cake have been laid, we're going to give the cake a quick crumb coat by running a thin layer of cream around the outside. Now pile the cream on top and start giving the cake a thick layer of whipped cream. Once you finish giving your cake a smooth coating of cream, fill a piping bag with your favourite tip. I used a French star. Now pipe a border of cream around the edge of the cake and decorate as you like. I decorated the cake with fresh strawberries and a little bit of gold leaf. And that's it. That's it, my Japanese strawberry shortcake. I'm so excited I can finally give this a try. It's been a long wait, and it's so good. The sponge is so light, it just melts in your mouth, literally disappears. I've worked with the sponge so hard. I've made like 1,000 sponges, probably more in my life, and this is definitely the best one by far. It's so light, it dissolves, it's airy, it's fluffy, it's really good. If you like this recipe, make sure to give me a thumbs up and comment down below what else you'd like me to make. This is my favorite recipe, so I really hope you like it, and I guess I'll see you next time. Bye!